How to download Myspace photos and videos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Myspace photos and videos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your web browser and search for Myspace. Make sure that you're logged in into your account first. After you're logged in into your accounts, you will see a U section on the left hand side. Under U section, you will see your uploads as well. So head over to uploads, and after you're on uploads, you can see all of your uploads, including your pictures, your videos. So after you locate whatever you want to download, you can open this up here, and there you can see that there is no direct download button. So to download this image that you uploaded, you can tap on save as. You can right click on the image and tap on save image as, and it will take you to a file location where you can save it. So you can change the location from here as well and tap on save. After doing that, your image will get saved and you can open it up, and that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.